Hi guys, Dorota International nail artist and educator here, and today I have prepared for you some fun nail art with the cat eye halfway Upvoted here. Absolutely awesome, nice, beautiful rose, which is actually really easy to do, and some cute teddy bear, and I hope you really enjoy learning this technique, so let's start. Really beautiful designs with the cat eye. You can see it, guys. We have done some rose and then some flower. And to achieve this look, you want to paint your nails black. I mean, you don't have to choose the black. I'm just going for a black because the things are more visible and it will be definitely easier for you to see also what I'm painting. So let's paint it all black. And I think we might actually start with the harder one, which will be a teddy. Why not? So painted black, and I love this black because it's a one coat. You can grab it from our website, which is detailed in the description of this video. So we've got some cat eyes, and I'm gonna use, which one? Maybe this one actually. So this is a number 04, and we are gonna paint some cute teddy. So I'm using the watercolor brush just because it is bigger, and we are gonna start painting his head. Nice and rounded shape. Color it in. Try to spread your cat eye nice and even. Okay, I'm happy with this one, so I'm just gonna grab my magnet and get the effect glowing. Okay, I want to push it so it is a little bit less visible on the bottom part where his mouth are gonna be.
It's not much visible.
Is it not? Okay. Is it coming better?
Yeah, but it's quite dark.
Can you see it now?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah. But I know you can see even much more stronger, but it's visible, of course. Now it's so strong.
Yeah?
Yeah, perfect.
Okay, so we've got the head. Let's cook it. And then on the other tip, I'm gonna paint rose as well, just so you can guys see it at the same time. I want to do a small dot in here, and then straight away do a first part of the petal. Swap to the D-liner brush because it's a little bit thinner. The things like when you're painting with the cat eye designs and you want to have the tilet work, you have to do it kind of one bit at the time. Okay, is it visible?
Kind of layers.
Is it visible?
Yes.
Cook it, and then let's go back to our teddy. So in the teddy, the next thing we want to paint, I'm actually gonna grab another color as well, maybe this one. Let me see, that's a blue purple one. And now we are gonna paint the ears. Actually mix them too. There we are. See what will happen. So paint the ears, grab the magnet, and get the things moving. I also, when I move it, I want them to be visible at the same angle, which means there we are. So now I can see the face, and now I can see the ears as well. Let's cook it. For the rose, we are gonna do another petal. D-liner brush. I wouldn't recommend it doing more than maybe like 2 petals at the time. Grab the magnet. Cure it. Go back to our teddy. And for the teddy, we want to do his belly. It is visible, yeah? Good. So nice belly. Color it in. And then get the effect glowing. I wanted it to be really nice and strong. There we are, happy with that. Let's cook him and go back to our rose. So if you would do this design on the client, you would just keep swapping like a finger. Do it on the one hand, cook it, do it on the other hand. Now for the rose, as you can see it, I'm kind of painting half a moons and trying to make them thicker at some parts, like much thicker here. Get the magnet in. And then cure it. Teddy bear can have his puffs done, and I'm gonna do it the same color what the ears are. So you want to paint them here, like a 1 feet, and then the other feet. Ideally, you should do them both separately. You will get a much nicer results. I just want to speed up the video a little bit. Get them in. There we are. I'm happy with the look of them. Cook it. My tummy keeps rumbling. Sorry, guys, like we didn't eat the breakfast yet and it's quite late. Another one. Okay, and this one I wanted it to be even bigger. The petal very close to the previous one. And then make it visible. Beautiful. Go back to our teddy, his puffs. And I'm gonna do them separately. So what I'm doing, basically, I'm just painting like the shape of the watercolor brush is amazing. It's just a shape of the puff when you touch it. Nice and strong effect. Let's cure it. Rose, I want one more petal here. Again, shape it with the D-liner brush. Get it nice and intense. And then cure it. Other puff for our beer. And I'm kind of painting a little bit over those previous pink. Get it nice and glowing so it stands out. For the rose, we also want to do some leaves. And I'm actually going to use the blue one for a change. So one leaf in here. And then the other leaf on this side. Actually, I will do one more. So 3 leaves in here. And then get the magnet in. Make it nice and visible. Actually, you could even like shadow them more on the one side than on the other. And that's what I'm going to do it. There we are. Cure it. Okay, I'm just going to show you the teddy bear as well. It's like actually doing the videos with the cat eyes, guys, is really difficult because it's depending like what angle you look at it is more or less visible. But what else we have to do it is his mouth. So I'm just using the mixture which we've got in here. Is it visible? Yeah. And then I'm just going to paint his mouth. Maybe even bigger. And then use the magnet. Can you see it in the camera?
Yes.
Yes. I will go maybe like this, Patrick. There is a thing moving on his nose. Can you see it, guys?
You're too close to the camera. And...
Okay, and it's losing the focus.
Yes.
Can you see it? Okay, it is there. I'm just gonna cook that beer and show you the rose in a slow motion because you can see it, the rose in here.
The rose now is very nice.
Because see, the trouble, guys, with painting the cat eye, first of all, I'm using the magnetic tip holder, and that means like I have to cure it pretty fast, and also the lights is also quite disturbing as well to show you the effect. But I will try to take a really nice thumbnail picture so you could see. There we are. Now it's nice and visible to see the actual design.
Yeah, and do the copy of them. They like it.
But I just wanted to show.
So
strong.
This, look how strong it is.
Okay. I mean, with the cat eyes, like, as I say, it's quite difficult because of the lights. And anyway, we are gonna grab the black which we have used just to add some detail to our teddy. So I'm just got a black in here, my dotting tool. And what I want to paint is his eyes. So we are just doing 2 dots in there with black. And then you want to do his mouth. So just like a wee dot. And then a smiley face here and there. Can you see it?
Yep.
Okay, I'm gonna cook him and I will show you the same way like I did it with the rose so you can guys see it as well. And then this rose is ready, we can place it there. I also did some flower, which I'm actually gonna pull it away now. It's really nice, but I outlined it with the white and I just kind of feel like it doesn't go with this design. So we are just gonna stick.
It looks very nice too.
Yes, yes, it's actually even more visible because of the white.
Actually, I love the cat eye.
You love cat eyes?
Yeah, because actually every design which I done, I always like it.
Oh, did you? Okay, I
It's
am.
the most, and I'm always impressed. The rest, of course, on the reel looks better than on the camera. But
yes, absolutely.
like,
on the real life, it looks better. Very hard to catch. Okay, I'm just upcoating my design, making sure there is no fluffs on it, and then I will be able to show you the teddy bear as well, like in a slow motion, guys, so you can see it too. No, it's too much light. We've got too much light. So basically what we have here is 3 light rings plus a table lamp. So that's like 4 really strong and powerful lights, which do sometimes affect how you see the things because they glow so much. So basically what I need to do is I need to, you can see there's a light going in. Ideally, I don't want that light, but also I want this to be, yeah, I'm just trying to find the right angles. Okay, the teddy bear is cooked and I'm just gonna place it here as well for you and we'll show you from different view.
That will be fine.
Yeah, can you see it, the teddy bear? The light, like if I move it to, there we are. Now you can see it. So that's what we have created today, and I hope, guys, you have really enjoyed this short video. I'm sending you huge glittery hugs, and bye for now.